Hello, Sealy Clark here. I'm here to show you in this video today how to log into your GetResponse account and how to manage your personal details such as your email address, your your regular address, your business information, whatever you need. So what we're going to do here is please refer to the upper right hand side of the site. You're going to have login, and when you hover over it, it's going to light up. You're going to hit that login button. And whatever details, your email and password that you created when you signed up to your free GetResponse account will be somewhere safe where you put them. So you're going to type them in here. You just put your email, you put your password. Then below the password section, there's a box that says I'm not a robot. You click that, wait for that check to turn green, come down a little further, press this blue button that says log in. This will bring you to the main page. Do not worry about any of this other stuff that you see here. Um, the Explore, GetResponse, the list building program, so on and so forth. This we will use later. I will show you all about it. Now what we're going to do is, since you're logged into GetResponse account, we're going to come over here. You'll see this icon in the right uppermost corner of your screen, and when you hover over it, it turns black and it will say My Account. You're going to click on that. You're going to go to the first one in the drop down menu, go down to Manage Account. It'll turn blue so you know you're over the right part, and you're going to click on Manage Account. Now you'll have account details. First thing you want to do is make sure you have your first and last name right. And now you can have an email address for the login, and that's already done for you. And down below that, you have address and time, and that you get to tell people the United States, you get to tell them your address, and then your time zone, which is very important, so they know where you are. That helps when you're sending all over the world, but it gives you an accurate time so you're not working off London time if you're in Maine or New York or anywhere like that. Next, below that is business details. Then you just put your name, your phone number. It has a spot for your website address, your industry, if you're in pharmaceuticals, if you're in nursing, if you're in whatever, and the number of employees. Account reference number, got to be honest with you, no clue what that is. So I got to go learn something so I can teach you. So right here on this side, you have the account details. You click one down below, and it is change password. If you want to change your password, if you think your password has been compromised, um, you put in your current password here, put in your new password, repeat it, and very important, of course, is to save your new password somewhere safe. The next one down from change password in this little left-hand menu is email addresses. Now, what this is this will relate to your GetResponse account, and when you are sending out emails to your subscribers, it is going to be the from email address in the top of all your emails. Just like you'd send it from Gmail, it would say so and so at gmail.com. Same thing here. You could use a Gmail here, but I do suggest if you're in business, you use support at yourwebsite.com, whatever your website is for your business, okay, or admin at yourwebsite.com, or your name at yourwebsite.com. You get the idea. So you can add multiple emails. I just usually add one, and I do have it to a age domain. So all that means is your website's been around, has a little clout. It doesn't look spammy or anything of that nature. And now the next one down here is going to be your landing page domains. And what you can do is that you can use a domain you already have that can go to your landing pages. I'll do more on this later. Then they have down here get response badge. So whenever you send anything, it it goes in your emails so that whoever you're sending the email to knows what autoresponder you're using, and if they want to check it out further, they'll check it out through that link. Predefined lists we won't worry about today. Login history just shows you when you were last in here. Okay, that way if you have someone else working with you, if they log in, if you have a virtual assistant or even an office assistant, you will be able to see when they logged in, make sure they're working on what they were supposed to work on. It's just another way of tracking and make sure you know who's in and out of your account if and when you give someone else access to work in your account on your behalf. Data processing agreement, honestly, no idea. Consent fields, I will actually do that in another video. So that is the basics. The most thing we're going to actually worry about is going to your account details, get your name, email address, regular address, phone number, the address of your business website, what niche or industry you're in. You can put all that stuff in. So let me go back to a review. In case you didn't know, if you're ever lost somewhere in here, all you have to do is go to the upper left-hand corner, and it's a blue rectangle with a white swoosh, I guess. Click on that. It'll take you right back to where we started. Okay. Now, just another quick review. This is where we started on this video. I'm going to show you the quick version. So you want to manage your account. You go over here to the upper right-hand corner, hover over it. It says My Account. You click on that. Drop down one, lights up blue, Manage My Account or Manage Account. Click on that, and then you can go forth and put in your details. So that's it for today on how to log into your GetResponse account and how to fill out your account details. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to hit like, subscribe, share, and mash that bell icon so you get more in-depth tutorials about GetResponse. And until we talk to each other again, you have yourself a great day.